Students, today we will read the second part of parts of speech, that is the pronouns. In the previous class, I discussed about the nouns and also its kinds. In this class, we will discuss about the pronouns. So, what is a pronoun? The previous class I have told noun, it is a word which is used as a person, thing, place, objects. These are nouns. But pronoun, what is the definition? Definition. The word which is used, the word which is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. The word which is used instead of a noun known as pronoun. Your book also written. The word that is used instead of a noun is called pronoun. So what is the noun? Instead परिवर्तन करते परिवर्तन है ना. Today we will discuss about its kinds. That means pronouns are divided into how many parts? Now pronouns are divided into 7 parts. So what are the kinds of pronouns? Kinds of pronouns. Kinds of pronouns. These are also divided into 7 parts. The first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Relative pronoun. Introgative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. And the last one is the emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. TIC, emphatic pronoun. These are 7 kinds of pronoun. So what is the first one? First one is personal pronoun. The second one is demonstrative pronoun. The third one is indefinite pronoun. Fourth one is relative pronoun. Fifth one is interrogative pronoun. Sixth one is reflective pronoun. And the last one is emphatic pronoun. These are 7 parts of a pronoun. Your book also, you can also see it in the book. First we discussed about personal pronoun. personal pronoun. First one is personal pronoun. Its forms. It has three forms. The first one is nominative, objective, and possessive. Forms of personal pronoun. First nominative. Personal pronoun is divided into, but it is classified into three cases. The first one is nominative, objective, and possessive. Nominative case. Nominative case. Objective case. Objective. CTI objective case. Possessive case. Possessive case. How the personal pronoun is used in nominative case? In case of first person, second person, and third person. In case of first person singular number I and plural we. I and we. First person singular number I and plural we. I we are pronoun and it is used in case of nominative. Nomination kariba, it identify particular person. Hala, I and we. Its objective case haba me, I haba me, we haba us. Its possessive case haba my, our book, my book. It is possessive case. But he gave me, he gave us. These are objective because it is used after the verb. So it is objective case. A nominative case, it is used as a subject. In case of subject, I, we are also pronouns and it is used as subject. So it is nominative case. Similarly, in case of second person, you, third person, he, you have a na you have a you. Our possessive case of yours, yours. इला possessive case है. सिर्फ third person रे he इतले he is a person. He is working in the field. He is used as the subject and it is the nominative case. In objective case, where he is the person, by it he identify the person who is doing some work. It will be he or him. Hela, I gave him a book. He comes after gave, verb gave. Hela, before, he, possessive case hela, his book, his classroom, his. In nominative case is like he, third person, object about him, possessive about his. Send this she rava. Her. It will never say her. तापरे eat रबे हो eats uses व्यवहार में वाक्य करबा दी it is a book हला it हला subject so it is nominative case जदि आपको object case करबा he broke it हला it हला को देला object असला so it is object case जदि पॉजिटिव करबा its tail by its head एटा पॉजिटिव केस बसला its हला तापर आउ कोन होइला they are playing but I gave them का verb बसला so it आसीबो पॉजिटिव ऑब्जेक्टिव केस them they are these are the three cases of personal pronoun. Second one is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun to demonstrative the word is derived from the word demonstrate माने show indicate identify demonstrate show कर दो this is my book that is her book pen these are my brothers but those are her sisters so these that these those are demonstrative pronouns like this is my book that is your car these are toys those are dolls this that this those these are demonstrative pronouns तापर आसीबा indefinite pronouns indefinite pronoun indefinite pronoun INDEFAINIT indefinite pronoun it does not identify a particular amount or particular proportion so it is indefinite so these are some of the examples of indefinite pronouns are some few many it does not indicate some and how much only some few all none many one of the boys but it does not indicate which boy some of the books but it does not indicate which books only some of the books examples some of the apples they are damaged some of the apples are damaged few students are absent in the class few students were absent in the class few students are absent in the class कोन दिबो नाइ few some सेमती many more all हला all are intelligent. Intelligent, so all above indefinite pronoun. It does not identify the thing or object, it only expresses. Then relative pronoun. Relative pronouns, singular. These pronouns that speaks about the nouns. This is the boy who stood first in the examination. This is the boy. This is the boy who stood. Who is used for the boy. The word which is used instead of a noun is known as by its called pronoun. So this is the boy. Who also is that boy. So here who is used as the relative pronoun. That is the person. That is the person whom I, but that was the person whom I met yesterday. Whom I met yesterday. That was the person. You say look whom I met, that's the person. Instead of person, the whom is used. So whom is a pronoun. Same the so another example. Here is the book that you gave me. Here is the book. The book that you gave me. So that is also used as pronoun for the book. So it is a relative pronoun. Then interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. It asks questions. This type of pronouns ask questions. So what are they like? Who, whom, what, whose. These are interrogative pronouns. Example: who is he? What is your father? What do you want? What do you like? Whom do you like most? Which book is this? So in this case, who, whom, what, whose. Whom do you like most? Which class? Which books are yours? Which books? Which books are yours? What is your name? What is your name? These are some of the interrogative pronouns. Who, which, what, similarly whom available. Hala, whose we have whom, whose. These are some of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are some of the interrogative pronouns. and it is also used like this in sentences. तापरे आसीबा रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. 6 reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. They comes after verb but is used after verb. Reflexive word is derived from the word reflection, pratiphalan. It shows the person who does the work. It shows the person generally comes after the verb. He did it herself. He did it himself. Here himself reflects the person who does the work. He did it himself. से काम को निजे कर तार तो ए पर्सन बा सब्जेक्ट ऊपर एम्फासिस दे हां तार तो आरी बा ये सब्जेक्ट जो भी अछि तार विषय रिफ्लेक्शन बा तार से सब्जेक्ट विषय एक्सप्रेस कर हला ही डिड इट हिमसेल्फ हला I can do it myself. I can do it myself. So myself emphasis on I, the subject. It is reflexive pronoun. Then emphatic pronoun. Again remember the reflexive pronouns always comes after the verb. But in case of reflexive pronoun, it always comes after the subject, by it emphasizes the subject and comes after it. Emphatic pronoun. 7. Emphatic. Emphatic pronoun. Emphatic comes from the word emphasis. माने gives importance, गुरुत्व देवा प्रदान करिबा. Example say I myself saw the film.